Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, today I'm going to follow up on what Sandeep completed yesterday, which was a video on Micron Technologies. He approached it from the fundamentals and the accounting point of view, and I'm going to look at it differently. Today I'm going to talk about why I think Micron's share price could improve significantly in the near term, and I think Micron Technology is poised for a potential surge in its share price due to a combination of technological achievements, market dynamics, and increased demand driven by AI application. So please remember, my analysis here today is my personal opinion, not financial advice. So please do your own due diligence. Don't just rush out there and buy Micron shares. They are going to report earnings very soon, and I think that will be the catalyst. Run up to the earnings would be the catalyst. So this is my personal opinion, of course, not financial advice. With that said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. My rationale or my case for improvement in Micron's share in the near term is based on many points. The first point I would like to bring about is the technological advancements in graphic memory through the introduction of GDDR7. Micron's next generation GDDR7 graphics memory technology promises a 30% performance improvement over its GDDR6 counterpart. This leap in performance is significant for both ray tracing focused titles and rasterizations only games. So in the gaming market, there is going to be an improvement in quality, improvement in games, and improvement in gamer experience, and therefore that could be another revenue generator. Higher bandwidth and efficiency is the next aspect. The new GDDR7 modules boast a 60% bandwidth improvement and 50% better power efficiency compared to GDDR6. Reduced response times by around 20% will also enhance performance in sensitive workloads like machine learning and AI image generation. And this will allow NVIDIA to do a bit of a market differentiation with the GDDR7 modules rated at 32 GB per second. Micron's memory technology is almost 10 GB per second faster than the fastest GDDR6X modules, positioning Micron way ahead of the competitive landscape. Then the next factor I would like to talk about is the strong market demand and financial performance raising memory prices. After a period of decline, memory prices are trending upwards. DRAM contract prices are expected to increase 13 to 18% in second calendar quarter, which is the Q2. And we would see the effects of that when Micron reports its earnings very soon. And also the revenue growth for Q3 FY 2024 for Micron is expected to be approximately $6.65 billion, which is a 64% increase from the previous year. And adjusted earnings are anticipated to be around 50 cents per share. So we are looking at gross margin improvement for Micron, because Micron is guiding for adjusted gross margins of between 25% to 28%, which is a substantial improvement from negative levels in the previous year. And the third aspect I would say is increased demand from AI and high performance computing. The deployment of generative AI tools is driving up demand for high performance memory solutions. AI and machine learning algorithms require more storage and resources, leading to higher demand for high bandwidth memory. And high bandwidth memory capacity for Micron for this year is fully sold, with most of next year's production capacity already booked. This tight supply environment enhances pricing power for memory vendors, and higher demand for Micron's high-performance DDR5 memory chips is also expected to improve price realizations and margins. Micron holds around 23% of DRAM market, trailing behind Samsung and SK Hynix, and holds the third position consistently over the decade. And despite being in third place, Micron's innovations in GDDR7 and HBM can strengthen its market position. Micron's continued investments in advanced memory technologies, including GDDR7 and HBM, indicate a strong commitment to maintaining a competitive edge. This strategy could pay off significantly as high demand for high performance memory increases. And then we have the broader industry trends. The global semiconductor industry is projected to grow steadily, driven by advancements in technology and increased demand across various sectors, including consumer electronics, automotive and data centers. Next, we have to take into account the AI and machine learning boom. The AI industry is experiencing rapid growth with significant investments from technology startups and startups alike. This particular trend benefits memory manufacturers like Micron, as AI applications require substantial memory bandwidth and capacity. And then if we look at the financial health and performance, Micron has maintained a relatively strong balance sheet with manageable debt levels and significant cash reserves. This allows Micron to invest in R&D and weather market fluctuations. And Micron stock has shown resilience and strong recovery potential following market downturns. Given the current positive trends in the memory pricing and demand segment, Micron's stock could see substantial gains. And then I would go to the next point, which I'm banking on, which is the supply chain and production capability. By strategically managing its production capability and investment in new technologies, Micron can better align supply with demand, helping to stabilize prices and improve profitability. And if you look at geopolitical consideration, Micron's efforts to diversify its manufacturing base and reduce reliance on any single region could mitigate risks related to geopolitical tensions, such as those between US and China. And now, when we look at the geopolitical aspect, then Micron stands to benefit a little bit more than Samsung and other suppliers to NVIDIA. In conclusion, I would say that Micron Technologies is well positioned to see a significant improvement in its share price due to the introduction of high-performance GDDR7 memory, strong financial performance driven by rising memory prices, and increased demand for AI and high-performance computing applications. The combination of technological advancement, strategic market positioning, financial health, and favorable industry dynamics will position Micron well for future growth and share price appreciation. So friends, that is my thesis for improvement in Micron share price. Then the next question would be, Raj, do you have Micron? Are you planning to buy Micron? The answer is that I don't have Micron at this point of time. Now the competition in my portfolio is between CRISPR Therapeutics and Micron. I have to decide whether I'm going to take the chance and put the money into Micron instead of putting it back into FNGU or into CRSP. CRISPR Therapeutics seems to be a bit mild right now, waiting for the interest rate decision. So now the choice for me is between putting the money into Micron and anticipating a jump, or putting it into FNGU and anticipating a jump. So when I look at FNGU, the market price is still not below the price at which I have sold the 40 shares of FNGU that I have sold so far. So I'm not inclined to that. So I'm thinking more in terms of putting it into Micron. And if I buy Micron, it will be a very small number of shares because the share price is high and the amount of money I have is less. So I'll keep you updated on that as I go ahead and when I make my decision. But right now I'm more favorably inclined towards Micron. With that, my friends, I'd like to bring this video to an end, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. But before I leave, I'd request you to press the like button and the subscribe button if you have not done so. Please introduce our channel to any of your friends and request them to becoming a member so that we can go into the 20,000 subscriber space. I'm eagerly looking forward to that. We are very close. Your help can push us through. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.